G'day dads, welcome to Cooking with Cameron, coming to on the Fathering channel. Time to open up, time to get into the kitchen and let's have a go at a barbecue sweet chili crispy beef noodles. G'day dads, welcome to the kitchen. Great for you to join us again. Got the sous chef, how you going?
Good.
Good. Everyone, this is Ruth, but we're also calling her Toothless at the moment.
Oh, come on.
What? She's had a couple of teeth pulled, getting ready for the good old braces to come. But at least she can talk properly now. It was pretty funny last week. Anyway, getting beaten up. Anyway, dads, tonight, it's not really a quick and easy meal, is it? Because you've got to wait 15 minutes. It's an easy meal, but we've got to marinate our steaks. So if you don't want to get the flavour super strong, don't worry about marinating too long. But hey, let's let the meat sit for a good 15 minutes. We need thinly sliced steaks. It's a bit of a mess in the kitchen at the moment because we've got stuff everywhere. We're trying to get organised. Rightio. So we've got crispy steaks. Now we're actually going to cut it into thin strips. Now we want meat that can be quick cooked, not slow cooked.
Right.
Okay, so that's rump, sirloin, porterhouse, New York, all these, some of the, porterhouse and that, sirloin, they're expensive cuts.
Right.
Rump's just a generic sort of cut. But what you can usually get from your local shop is some already thinly sliced steaks.
Sizzle steaks.
Sizzle steaks. But we don't just want them in pieces like that. We actually want to put them into strips. Again, this is an Asian style dish.
They eat everything with chopsticks.
They eat with chopsticks. So we've got to be able to pick it up without you having to cut it up. So, okay. So while Ruth does that, I'm going to I'm going to prepare up our marinade for the beef. We're going to have soy sauce, we're going to have ginger, we're going to have garlic, we're going to have sesame oil, we're going to have sugar and a little bit of pepper. Right here, dads, it's only taken a few minutes to pull that together. Ruth is just about finished cutting the beef. Okay, right here, dads, we have a quick clean up. Now, this we're just going to pour into here. Do you want to get some tongs or something just to mix those together with? And then we're going to put this aside and let it rest for 15 minutes. Right here, dads, we're going to set that meat aside and it's going to marinate for 15 minutes. Smells amazing.
Smell the sesame oil.
Sesame oil, yep. 2 seconds, just opposite. A little bit of hair, we'll get rid of that, bit of extra protein. Anyway, so stir fry or this sort of meal, you're going to have...
Too many?
You can have a little bit of veggies, you can have no veggies, but you don't want to have huge volumes of veggies. You want lots of little bits of veggies, if that makes sense. So we're going to have thinly sliced stuff tonight. So we're going to do half a caps, we're going to do an onion, we're going to do some bok choy and a bit of carrot. So let's get into cutting up. Righty it is. We've got our veggies cut. Our meat's still marinating. Now we're going to be deep frying this stuff. So I'm going to just start warming up our oil because that's going to take a while to get up to temperature. So this is just some veggie oil. Okay, now while that's heating up, we're going to make up our sauce for the stir fry. So we're going to need, what do we need in it? We need chili sauce, we need barbecue sauce, we need soy. We're putting some apple cider vinegar into it.
And I think it was like sugar.
Some little bit of sugar.
Yep.
Yep, we've got our sugar here. and just a touch of salt. So let's get into mixing that together. So we need 2 eggs thrown in there. Stir that through. Okay, and then we're going to coat it in some corn flour. Okay, right here, Dads. Ruthie's gone through here and she's pretty much pulling it apart because we don't want big lumps of meat strips, we want individual strips. Okay, so I'm just going to push you to the side that way a touch, right? And I'm going to gently bring our oil to the middle. Okay, now, where's just a small piece? That'll do. There we go, it's boiling, it's straight away, it's coming up. So let's get a few pieces into there, darling. Okay, now these pieces are only going to take a couple of minutes each. Like, so. Well, right here, Dads. They're all cooked. That took about 10 minutes, maybe, didn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now, I'm actually going to take this outside so that it can cool off and we don't get the smell of oil in the house. Rightio. While I'm doing that, we're going to just quickly clean up and we need to get the wok out. If you don't have a wok, an electric fry pan will do, or a fry pan, something that we can heat up again. So we got the electric wok, so we're going to get that out. Whew, it feels like it's been a bit of a mission tonight, doesn't it? Lots of things happening, but now it's all going to come together. It's going to come together really, really quickly. Okay, so we're just going to fry off our onions and our carrot just for a few moments. Then we're going to add the capsicum.
Yep.
Right? Then we're going to add our meat.
Yeah. And
then we're doing a noodle dish, so we've just got some pre-made Hokkien noodles. So they just got to be warmed up, so then they can go into here. And then we're going to stir through our marinade, our sauce. So instantly that's starting to get hot. I've got the wok on full tilt. Don't need a lot of oil in there, okay? So we throw that in.
break it up.
Break that up. You want to do that for us, Squirt?
Yep.
You can do that one. And the carrots.
That's like
Oh,
really
wow.
Holy dooly.
Dad's the instant smell when the sweet chili and that barbecue hit. That was amazing. Stir it all through. And that's literally what we're doing now, is just stirring that through. Throwing our bok choy, our greens. That's just about ready to serve, Dads. A little bit of moisture. So you marinate your sauce. You don't want it to have too much, otherwise it gets really runny. But we want it so it's just, see how that's nice and shiny? Okay. So it coats it. It doesn't drown it. It just coats it. Anyway, Dads.
Try.
Guess it's time to try.
Get a bit of that.
No, just go the meat. That's beautiful. Well, guess what, Dads? Now it's over to you. Have a crack at a sweet chili barbecue, crispy beef noodles. Anyway, Dads, till next time, keep being great dads.